Bebe. Shut up. Bibia how what? I go love you, make you ball. Let me show you how I do it.
Cut!
Hey!
Young man,
Hey!
is that what is in the script?
Hey!
When she slaps you, you say, ouch, baby.
What? I said what?
You also say, ouch, baby.
I said that day.
Let's take it from the top again.
Can you tell her to minimize the...
Make up. If you don't want the part...
No, don't worry. I have to imagine. John Dumelo, all of them. Be a professional, why? Masum no, are you okay? Be a bear fire.
Okay. Ready? Action.
Bebe, you are my air, my moon, my stars, but don't rough.
Cut! Young man, look, if you don't want the part, I can call other people to come and do it. When she slaps you, you say, ouch, baby.
What?
Let's take it again. And when you're slapping, I want to hear... Let's take it again. Action.
Bebe. Shut up. I'll go love you, make you ball. Why did I say it? Let me show you how I do it.
Cut. Young man, walk out.
Mistake. Now, say now, my dead boy. Oh, my tiaka. John Dumelo Van Vika. I go on to defend them.
If you're not serious, walk out of my set.
The MontyOaks.com exclusive.
Mama yankana Ghana for Kasa. Hey, come on, what?